love yourself. It sounds nice, but honestly, what does that mean? Having the thought alone of loving ourselves doesn't create the change that we want. Even if we decide, you know what, I really want to love myself more, nothing actually changes. We need to take this idea of loving ourselves and make it a concrete experience that we fully embody. And in order to change, we need to be in a calm state. We need to be present, grounded, and feel at ease. Let's be honest, if words alone just transformed our lives, none of us would ever feel stuck or bad about ourselves. Your body doesn't buy words when you're stressed out and your nervous system is stuck in survival mode. It needs something real. Loving yourself is a felt experience that you embody true from the inside out. When you're loving yourself, you feel genuinely connected. You feel calm, grounded, and good being in your body. The relationship we have with ourselves is the most important relationship we will have in this lifetime. People may come and go, but you're gonna always be with yourself. And loving yourself is optimal for your health and well-being. Loving yourself is really foundational for all other healthy relationships, your confidence, and quality of life. Our nervous system has two modes of operating. We have the sympathetic branch of the nervous system where the stress response is on, and we feel that as fight or flight. We know what that feels like. We're disconnected from our breathing and our body. It is useful if you need to run for safety or like you're running from a bear. And then we have the parasympathetic branch of our nervous system, the rest and relaxation response. It's like being in peace mode. You feel grounded, safe, calm, and clear, and you're completely present. The parasympathetic branch of our nervous system is optimal for healing. It replenishes us, and it's where we can make change. When one mode is on, the other is automatically off. So only one mode can be on at a time, which is great. And here on this channel, we're gonna get really good at turning on the parasympathetic branch of your nervous system so that you can feel more present and at ease in your body. This is where you feel peaceful and where your power really lives, where you can respond instead of react, and you can allow for positive new changes. Before you go, I want to leave you with this. Self-love is not just an idea. It's an experience that you feel in your entire body. In a separate short video, I'll guide you step by step using touch, breath, and gentle self-massage to stimulate your vagus nerve so that you can experience this shift. After this, go watch Feel Self-Love in Your Body in 5 minutes. I'll meet you there and we'll practice it together. If you're ready for more self-loving tools, not just the idea, but an actual embodied experience that supports your healing and gives you greater ownership of your health and well-being, then hit subscribe. And every week, I'll guide you to have an experience that allows you to feel good in your body, where you become more present. And when you live in the present moment, this is where your power lives. We channel creativity, we can respond instead of react, and we allow for new positive experiences. This is about you feeling good about you and being more happy at home in your body.